So starting the test drive in this Silverado high country here, this 6.2 has a lot of pep in its step. Same engine that's used in the Tahoes, in the Suburban. I guess you can say an iteration has been used in it in the Corvettes for a minute. That's just kind of the go-to for GM's high performance vehicles that aren't exotics or, you know, kind of weirdly put together, if that makes sense. But very strong in terms of tow capacity, specifically with these pickup trucks, these light duty pickup trucks, and these large SUVs, the Suburbans, the Tahoes, the Yukons, Escalades. Now the 10-speed tends to do a lot. It's almost like a shutter whenever you're slightly giving it power. You get used to it, and I kind of like learn to like it, but if you're not used to it, you might be thinking, what the heck is this? But now you do have a sport mode on this truck, so I'm gonna put it into that, and we're gonna see what this thing can do. Not gonna floor it, but gonna give it quite a bit. Here we go. Yeah, so that was light work on the throttle, and it got up, it did. So again, it's a powerful engine. It's what you'd expect. But I want to give a huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro again for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. Now, ride is pretty good. It's comfortable. It's a full-size vehicle, so it's what you expect. A full-size pickup, I should say. So the ride is pretty solid. It's very, very nice. I'm just hearing a little bit of wind noise on that side, so it might be a door seal or something that's kind of out of place, but nothing that's really bothersome. I just noticed that. Now, in terms of what you get for the money here, I think this is a pretty good deal, and I'll tell you why. It's $44,000. This thing was probably stickering for high 60s, low 70s when it came out. It's pretty decked out in terms of having the roof, having the adaptive cruise control, a lot of options here. And 40,000 miles is it's relatively low, I think, for a truck that's 5-6 years old. Now, on top of that, you have full 4-wheel drive, a tow capacity of 9,200 pounds, and it's a nice looking truck. It looks really good. But at this dealership, Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, you also get a lifetime powertrain warranty. So where this one is pretty much out of the warranty from the manufacturer, you get a included lifetime powertrain warranty from this store. So having that lifetime warranty just gives you more peace of mind, I think, with this 10-speed automatic, with this 6.2 V8. As long as you keep up with the maintenance, these kind of repairs that might be concerning are covered there. But it feels like an Escalade pickup truck almost. It's very luxurious on the inside. It rides very smoothly. It has a very sophisticated look inside and out, and it's a nice drive. I think it does drive quite a bit better than the more basic LT's work truck models that you get in the Silverado in this model year. It feels very comfortable, very plush. And the 6.2 is a strong engine. I love the capability it has, the power that it gives you. And then the tech here is very nice as well, with the CarPlay, Android Auto, the heated cooled seats, the heated steering wheel. But it doesn't feel too futuristic. So you have your buttons and knobs here. It doesn't feel overwhelming just reaching for the air conditioning controls. And then having that power sliding rear window and the sunroof on a nice hot day. Have the air on while the windows are down. There's nothing like it. So again, I think for under 45 grand, a pretty solid deal for something that still has quite a bit of life left in it. But this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 in the high country trim level.